Guys, today we're gonna make a video of how to replace a tire. This is a toy car. It's not a real car like the big one, but this is like a tire, a toy tire, and that's a real tire over there. But I'm gonna show you how to replace the tire. I have my assistant can come here. Say hi. Hi. This is my little brother Novi. He's gonna help me with replace the tire. Can you go get my glasses, please? Thank you. Ow. Okay. So you're gonna help me to replace the tire, okay? Okay. Can you go get the jack, please? Yes. I can drive it. So this is the jack. And this is the stick. You put the stick. Can you move, please? So put the stick right here. If you want it to go down, turn this way. If you want it to go up, turn this way until it's hard. Then you put it in here, and then look. Go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? And if you want to put it down, just turn it this way. See? That's how a jack works. Can you bring me the towers, please? Only one? Both. Okay.
You know we can just do this?
Mm-hmm.
It's hard. I didn't know we cannot do that.
Oh. Thank you. If you want to use a tower, this is how you use it. If you want it to go up, turn this up, and you can lift it up and down. If you want it to stay, put this down, and it will stay. Okay? The same as the other one. Same as this one too. Okay? Now, let's get started of replacing the tires. Can you move? So, can you get the toolbox, please? Okay. Can you get your screwdriver?
Or is this a screwdriver?
No. The other one. Yeah, that's the screwdriver. Okay, if you want to replace this, the flat, you're supposed to put the screwdriver here, and then you do this. This might take a while.
I want to fix this one.
I'm not breaking it, guys. Okay. This is the flat. Then put it to the side.
That's a dishwash.
Okay. Yeah, this is a flat, not a dishwasher. Okay. This is a safety. This is a safety pin. Okay. And we put this under the car. Okay. Then you look at this. The jack also has safety pins to keep it sturdy. That's one is all the way on, and we have to keep lifting, okay? And then we take this out I'm gonna put a little bit more. Alright. When you hear that, that means it's done. So now we're gonna take the towers.
How can I do that?
Put it under. Can you put the other one right here, please? Thank you. We'll put it right here.
How can I do
And
that?
then we take this, put it like this, then do the same with the other. And put it a little bit higher. Okay. And then, look, how is this one higher? Look, this goes here.
But
Let me
how?
put this up a little bit more. Alright, that's good. Alright, and then okay, now let me put it down. Alright, it's down. Alright, guys. Now let's jump to the tire. Can you get me Novi, can you get my pliers, please? Thank you. Yeah, you have to remove the safety pin, okay, guys? By making this flat. Okay, and now let me. All right, now that's out. Can you bring me the wrench, please? Yeah. Thank you. Now, this will have to go in here. Can you bring me the other size? Okay, let me take this off. It doesn't fit. Thank you. All right. I'm loosening it, okay? I'm loosening the bolt. Okay, now I can use my hand. Alright, let me put this right here. And let me take this out. This is a plate. Okay. Let me take off the tire now. I'm going to put it right here. And that's how you replace the tire. If you want to put it back on, you're supposed to take the same tire. If you don't have like another tire like this, you're supposed to take the same tire. Put it on. Over here, there's like a puzzle right here. And that matches with this. You have to match it and put it with the same thing. And then, like that. Then we put this back in. This thing. Then put the washer back in. And then put the bolt in. Can I have the wrench, please? This way.
No.
I'm trying to replace that tire. He's my assistant, so he's trying to help me with the other tires. That's a good idea. You shouldn't lose the parts of the tires, or else you won't have the parts of the tire and you have to go to a shop to get it.
This is kind of a puzzle.
And, here, no, you don't. He did it. Okay, now, which one was the one that you took out last?
Yeah.
Yeah. So which one?
This first,
The wall.
and then
The bowl. Yes.
I'm gonna put this in.
Can I have the wrench, please? Thank you. Now I'm gonna tighten this.
And the sledgehammer.
Stop.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so that is in. I had to put the safety pin in. The front tires don't have the safety pin, but the back tires do. Alright.
It's still
Can I have
small.
the can I have the screwdriver? Wait, can I have the screwdriver, please?
Okay.
Thank you. Now let me put this through the safety pin over here. Because if you don't put this and it's together, this might come off and this might come off at the same time. Alright, guys. Alright, now let me put the plate in. Can I have the hammer, please?
It's just a sledgehammer.
Thank you. Alright, now that's in. Wait. Keep going. Alright, that's enough.
One more.
And that's enough. Okay, now let me take this towel away. We don't need the towels anymore. Okay, no more. Let me take
I
this
know
out.
how.
And then turn this. Yes. Oh, it was soft. Slowly, okay?
It did one fast.
Okay. And that's how you replace the tire. And see you next time. Bye.
Bye.